Stop what you're doing. Today, we're putting viral TikTok kitchen gadgets to the ultimate test. You've seen these quirky gadgets all over TikTok, but do they really work, or are they just a waste of money? Stick around as we find out if these kitchen tools are game changers or total flops. First up is the corn stripper. You've probably seen videos of this gadget effortlessly removing kernels from a cob in one swipe. But does it work as smoothly as TikTok shows? We're going to put it to the test on some fresh corn to see if it lives up to the hype. Is this going to make your next BBQ easier, or is it just another unnecessary tool? Next, we have the Avocado Slicer. This tool promises to pit, slice, and scoop your avocado all in one go. Sounds like a dream, right? But does it actually make slicing avocados easier, or is your trusty spoon just as good? We're about to find out if this tool can live up to its TikTok fame. Now, let's try the Rapid Egg Cooker, one of the most popular gadgets on TikTok. This tool claims to perfectly boil, poach, or scramble eggs in just a few minutes, but can it really replace the good old stovetop method? Let's see if it's a real kitchen hack, or if it's just another gadget taking up space. Up next is the garlic peeler. It's supposed to peel garlic cloves instantly with just a few rolls of your hand. TikTok makes it look like magic, but is it really that simple? We're testing it out to see if it can save us from the hassle of peeling garlic the old-fashioned way. Finally, we're testing the Pancake Batter Dispenser, designed to give you perfectly shaped pancakes with no mess. TikTok shows off beautiful stacks of flawless pancakes, but will this gadget really take your breakfast game to the next level? Or is it just another gimmick? Let's find out. So, after testing these viral TikTok kitchen gadgets, here's the real deal. Insert your thoughts on each gadget. Some are definitely worth adding to your kitchen, while others might be better left on TikTok. Let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these gadgets, or if there's another one you want us to test. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun food experiments. See you next time on Tastebud Heaven.